Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about CSS dimensions, alright, the height and the width dimension. In this video we're gonna learn about these 6 dimensions that are related to the height and the width, okay? So let me just go to the editor and use these properties to see how it works. So I have just already written the basic element of an HTML document just to save the time. Now I'm just gonna do some styling and use these properties. So I'm using the element selector. Alright, and in element selector let me set is a width 200 px and height 100 px, and its background color would be good here, so let me just use it here. Type. Let me just save this thing. Now you can see here that I have set the value of the width and the height. Okay, so this is how you set the width and the height. You can also specify the maximum width. Now the maximum width I would like to have 500 px. Let me just run this. So I have just set the maximum limit to the width. Okay, so when you use the maximum width, it kind of set a limit to your width that it won't be get bigger than this amount of the pixels. Alright, so as you know, when you use the percentage, your width is kind of responsive to the size of the windows. When I just increase the size of the window, it is responsive, but it will limit itself to the 500 px. Now you can see that it is not moving forward. So if I just set it to the 300, okay, now you can see that it is changing according to the size of the window of the browser. Alright, so but it will set its limit to maximum 300, and you can also set the minimum width. Okay, I just want to set the minimum width to 200 px. So when you decrease the size of the window, it won't go below this value of 200 px. It is not going below to the value of 200 pixels. Alright, so if I just do it to the 250, now you will see that it sets value. Okay, if I just put it to 80, alright, now you would see that it is not exceeding the 300 pixel value and it is not going below to the value of 280 pixel. Alright, so to control the size of the element, and the same goes for the height. Alright, so this is all for this video, and if you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.